Okay, this is a quick tutorial on how to get a Google account and use Google Drive. So go to google.com, okay, the homepage, and click sign in. Okay, if you have an account already, you sign in here. If you don't, then this button turns to sign up, and that's what you click. So you're going to do first name, last name. You're going to choose your username. You can choose anything you want. Just make it easy to remember, because it becomes your Gmail address as well. So you get a free Gmail when you sign up for Google. Create a password, birthday, gender, phone, your current email address. If you want Google to be your default homepage, leave this checked. If not, uncheck it. And then you can verify by typing in these two words, location, and then you agree to the privacy and click next step. Okay, I already have a Google account, so I'm actually going to go back and sign in. So now I'm signed in, and you can see my name is right here. Okay, and so I'm going to go to Drive. Okay, if I want to check my Gmail, that's where it is. If I want my YouTube account, it's right here. I can do searches by search or images. You can do Google Maps, Google Play, all of this stuff. But right here is Google Drive, and so you click there, and this will pull up your Google Drive. And then you can create a new document, presentation, spreadsheet, form, or drawing, or a folder. Or you can upload files from your desktop or folder upload. And this is a process where you enable it. Okay? Then, once you've got documents, these are all the documents that have been shared with you. Starred ones gives you focus. Recent ones, more. So you can connect all of these. Drive to your desktop is a good option. You can sort them by all kinds of things, but this is where all of your documents are. And so you have everything stored right there. I'm going to go to whatever this untitled presentation is. It's my demo. And I'm going to show you how to share. So when you are on your document, once it's done, or once you've started it, you can go ahead and give it a title if you want. Click rename. And I'll call it demo. Okay. And then you can go to share. Okay. And to share your document, this is the link that links to your document. Okay. Now it's only accessible by collaborators. So if you don't have anybody down here as a collaborator, nobody's going to be able to use this link. Okay. You can share your link with Gmail, Google+, Facebook, and Twitter. You can set your access. All right. So if I want to change the access, I can make it public, which means that anybody who's online on the internet can find it and get onto it. Okay. Or I can make it anyone with a link. This is a little bit more private. This is anybody who has the link already. Nobody's going to guess that link, so you can't search for it. But if you have the link, you can access it. Or you can make it completely private. And that means that only the people that you have granted permission to can sign in and access that link. So if I leave it at private and save it, then I need to get some people on here. Otherwise, I'm the only one that can do anything. So I invite people with their email accounts. If you know if people have Google accounts, then you can do it just by their name and not have the @gmail.com. Or you can do people with other email accounts if they don't have a Google account. So you invite people by their email. Okay. You can add a message that says, "Hey everybody, this is the Google Doc that I have for whatever. Go ahead and link to it." And this is notify people by email. Okay. So that means that everybody that you invite will get an email that gives them a link to this page. And then you share and save. Oops, I don't have a recipient, so I can't actually share. Once you get people on here, you can change. I need to find somebody to get on here. Hold on just a sec. Okay, so if I want to invite people, We'll use okay. So oh boy. I might have just sent that to somebody. Okay, so all of a sudden this person can edit. Alright, so this person can do all of the editing on this account. Alright, you can also set it to can comment, which means that they can't change anything, but they can make comments on it, or can view, and that means that they can't change anything, they can't make comments, but they can see it. So depending on how you're going to use the Google Doc, you might want people just, for students, for example, you might want to just communicate information with them. And so you don't want them to comment, you don't want them to be able to change things, you just want them to see your information. And so you would make them just able to view. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and save that. And basically, that is how to Google Doc.